Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are safe and secure and at your homes. Okay, so in today's video is going to be something which would give you an insight how I am as a person, what are my likes, what are my dislikes, what I love to do, and some secrets about me which nobody knows except for my family and close friends. So I don't know why I'm sharing this with you guys. I'm making fool out of myself. But still, no matter. Let's get started. So fact number one. Okay, so the fact number one is I write diaries. Nobody knows this, not even my family. Only two of my friends know that I write diary, but they don't know what's written in it. So that's a secret. Also, whenever I'm pissed off, I just write it off because I just don't want to express it to somebody like. Okay, so fact number two. So when I was around 4-5 years, hot oil fell on my leg and my right leg got burned. It still has scars, which I'm not going to show you guys, but yeah, I got burned. Okay, so fact number three, and it is my favorite one. So I am obsessed with TV world. Like, I'm more interested to know about TV actors than Bollywood actors. I love them. I just want to know everything about them, and the shows which I follow, I want to know everything about the actors and the show. So yeah, I'm the TV ki Wikipedia. You can contact me. Fact number 4. I hate Holi. I just don't like Holi. I am feared of Holi. Actually, I could say मुझे होली से बहुत डर लगता है. होली के कलर्स से बहुत डर लगता है. Something never happened to me on Holi. I just don't like it. So whenever Holi comes, 1 week prior to Holi and 1 week after Holi, I never leave my home. Never. So it's just that I lock myself into room, cry. I lock myself into the room. I just have all my munchies, the stuff with me, and I have a nice time. तो नहीं कह सकते, मैं रोती रहती हूँ, but अब I am older and I know how to handle myself. Okay, fact number 5. So it is related to Holi. So last year I used my phone too much, that extent that I really felt my eyes are just gone. So I was very excited for the specs and all that. I decided which frame I have to get, and I was so excited that I went to eye hospital, eye checkup, 2 days before Holi. Could you even imagine that? I mean, I was so dead inside, but I did that. And when I reached hospital and the checkup were done, the doctor say, अभी आँख खराब नहीं है, but अभी हो सकती है. I was like, what? Like, this reaction was not expected from any normal person, because अगर कोई कहेगा कि आपकी आँख सही है तो आप ये थोड़ी ना बोलोगे what? Because I was so prepared कि मेरे चश्मा लगने वाला है and मैंने सारे फ्रेम्स रेडी कर लिए थे, but मैंने लगा I think my eyes are good, but now I don't think so. Wait, fact number 6. So I was very nerdy. I was not that confident, but something happened to me in 11th and 12th. Confidence, like, I was very confident in 11th and 12th. I was like, I can speak in front of everybody and I had no fears. I don't know why it was it. Fact number 7. So this is really very embarrassing, but yes, I have imaginary friend and I know everybody has. So the embarrassing part comes now. My embarrassing part comes now. What am I saying? Okay, so embarrassing part is my imaginary friends are the TV actors. Like I said in my third fact that I'm obsessed with TV, and this is the reaction of it. Like I imagine them to be with me. छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ. Okay, so fact number 8. I take very impulsive decision and then I regret it later on. And I really am upset with this thing because I really take impulsive decision, and what I feel is I hurt others with it. I don't know how to deal it with this, but this is the biggest drawback I have. I really want to improve it. Fact number 9. Okay, so I am highly sensitive person. I can cry while watching a film, emotional film basically, not horror, emotional film, emotional scenes. And in lockdown, I actually watched Soldiers Homecoming and I started crying like anything. It was way too impossible to control myself at that time. So this one is. But when it comes to confront family, I am the strongest person at that time. I never cry. जब मुझे कोई डांट रहा होता है या फिर कभी फैमिली को Okay, so that was the 10 facts about me, and I hope you got to know how I am as a person, what I like to do, what I don't like to do. And yes, I hate Holi. No offense to anybody. But yeah, if you enjoyed watching it, you know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.
Fact number 6. I was very nerdy in my early school days, but I don't know what happened to me in 11th and 12th. Okay, so fact number 9. I am a highly emotional person,